Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this wonderful primrose stitch. I've done a sample here using Aran or worsted weight yarn and a size 5mm crochet hook, and it's a combination of a setup row, which is a row of loops made with single crochet and chain, and then you come back the other way with a cluster of 3 double crochet in each of the loops. So this is what we're going to tackle today. It's really, if you can do a granny square, you can do this stitch. It's really not that difficult. We're going to start with a setup row, and that first row is always the most tricky. So I'm using Stylecraft Aran weight yarn in this lovely cream colour, so it shows up against my background here. I hope you can see that all right. I've decided to change up the background a bit. I'm going to use this tablecloth for a while. Start by making a slip knot in the usual way. For those of you who don't know how to do a slip knot, I've got a video in my basic stitch playlist, so you can have a little look at that. Insert your hook. As I said, it's a 5mm hook, which is the right size for Aran weight yarn. I'm going to start by doing a chain, and we're going to do a multiple of 3 plus 1. So yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So there we have the chain, and then we're going to do a single chain as our turning chain. Put your thumbnail right next to that one. We're going to go into the second chain from the hook with a half double crochet. This is just the edging stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook. In fact, we're going to go into the first one right next to your hook. There we go. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through. So it gives you this firm edge. Now identify where that went, and we're going to skip the next 2 chain. So we're skipping that one and that one, and we're going to go into this next chain with a single crochet. So that's, put your hook straight in. I like to capture 2 strands, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2. So it's always a little tricky, this first chain, because you've got nothing to hold on to really. Yarn over, 1 chain, yarn over, a second chain. And we're going to make the loop into the same chain space here. So another single crochet. So this makes our little loop, and we're going to use this in the next row. So you can't really see the little loop at the moment. You will at the end of the row, don't worry about it too much. And we skip 2 chain, 1, 2, into the next chain with a single crochet, 2 chain, 1, 2, back into the same space with another single crochet. Skip 2 chain, 1, 2, single crochet into the next one. Whoops. There we go. Always take time to set up your work. It's not a race. 1, 2, back into the same space. I mean, mindful crochet is where you're relaxing. Skip 2 chain, 1, 2, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 chain, 1, 2, single crochet in the same chain space. There we go. Skip 2 chain and a single crochet in, oh, not a single crochet, a half double crochet into that last stitch. So the two things to remember are you working right close up to in the first chain at the beginning and a half double crochet at both ends. Let's have a little look at how this works out. I'll just remove my hook. So half double crochet there, half double crochet there. Then we've skipped chains and we've created these loops, and you can just about see them in here, just here. And they'll become more obvious as your work grows. So that's our setup row. Now we're going to work on our double crochet row. And just like a granny square, we're going to actually start with 3 chain to make our end double crochet like this one here. Now sometimes I do 2, sometimes I do 3, depends on the yarn, depends on how tightly I'm crocheting, but in this instance I think 3 chain works well. Turn your work and we're going to look for our first chain space here, and we're going to work simply clusters of 3 double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. No chain in between our clusters, simply continue. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we have 2 clusters of 3 double crochet next to each other into these chain spaces. And I'm just going to finish the rest of the row. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And in the final stitch, you'll see these 2 loops from the half double crochet. We're going to go into these 2 top loops and just do a final double crochet. Then we're going to turn our work and have a look at it from the right side. So we've got these pretty little primroses all the way along. Now we're going to repeat the first row, but slightly differently. We're going to go into the middle of each of the tops of the primroses. So it's the middle double crochet. So have a look and find this stitch, this stitch, this stitch and this stitch. That's going to be what we're aiming for. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a half double crochet into this little gap here. So yarn over, insert your hook right into that little triangle, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we're going to skip effectively we're going to skip this stitch and we're going to go into this stitch here. And we're going to do our single crochet, 2 chain, single crochet, repeat all the way across. Single crochet, 2 chain, single crochet. skip across to this middle double crochet, single crochet, 2 chain, single crochet. Find the next one, single crochet, 2 chain, single crochet, and into this one, single crochet, 2 chain, single crochet. Then we've reached the end where we've got our 3 chain which we made on the previous row. We find the top one and we do a single crochet into half double crochet into that top chain. So you can see where I'm making a mistake is remembering to do 2 half double crochet, 1 at each end of our 2 chain space row. So that's the watchword, is to finish it off with the half double crochet. 3 chain, 3, turn our work, and back we go with our double crochet row. And you don't have to think at all on this row because literally you're just going into, you're just doing like granny squares. You're doing 3 double crochet in each little hole. So no chains, nothing else to think about. All you have to worry about is making sure that you finish the row correctly. Even then, it's really not very tricky. Here we go. Finish the row with our single double crochet into the top of our half double crochet from the row below. 1, 2, turn our work. Look out. Now we're going to remember, we're going to go into this little triangle just here underneath our first stitch with a half double crochet, and then we're not going to do anything else apart from find this second double crochet here, and we're going to literally do our single crochet, 2 chain, single crochet all the way across. So as with all crochet, it's the ends of the rows that cause any issue you're going to have is with an end of a row. The middle bits are very straightforward. So if you don't crochet frequently, just write down on a piece of paper and attach it to your work the routine for the end of the rows, because it's that's frustrating if the ends don't work out. 2, 3, and turn our work. So there we have it. This is the Primrose Stitch, and I'll just bring this one back and we can have a look at how it works up in this lovely green Stylecraft special Aran weight wool, which you can get from lovecrafts.com or any other outlet that you choose for buying your yarn. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Press subscribe and you'll get a notification if you press the bell for upcoming videos. We're doing a granny square series, so have a look out for that one. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.